XRP is expected to slide 0.8% tomorrow, Gulf Capital Collector suggests. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the current price conditions. Based on the current data, XRP has increased 2.2% since yesterday and trades near $1.0562. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. 30 Rates projects the price may weaken to $1.0526 by tomorrow. That's a decrease of 0.4%. Traders Union indicates XRP might dip to $1.0507, representing a loss of 0.6%. CoinDataFlow notes it may edge down to $1.05, marking a drop of 0.7%. Another estimate by Gulf Capital Collector suggests XRP could be on track to $1.0485, a fall close to 0.8%. To conclude, Digital Coin Price predicts $1.0314 by tomorrow, a decrease of 2.4%. This forecast offers the highest potential return. The 5 forecasts are in. Let's go beyond that. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. According to all forecasts gathered here, the range of possible moves extends from a decrease of 2.4% to a drop of 0.4%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Digital Coin Price shows the highest projected return with 2.4% gain in value by June 28. It's clear you might secure between $4 and $24 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability figures, 30 Rates comes first with a 89.3% chance of success. Out of the 5 perspectives, I've drawn one consolidated consensus outlook. The consensus forecast points to XRP reaching about $1.0466. Let's explore the breakdown. Consensus outlook highlights a 1% move lower. Stated plainly, your capital might rise by around 1% in accordance with that projection. A 1,000 stake could translate into roughly $10 in potential upside. The chance of this consensus scenario occurring is assessed at approximately 86.1%. On to the next. Let's go through how analysts anticipate the price will evolve over the 3 days. 30 Rates anticipates downward movement in the near term. Meanwhile, Traders Union points to further weakness. A stronger push upward is expected by CoinDataFlow. Gulf Capital Collector points to a bearish path. Additionally, Digital Coin Price expects XRP to decline steadily. Looking at the forecast together, the consensus reflects a negative trajectory for XRP. Altogether, 80% of forecasts point toward XRP trending lower in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. As a result, the market wrapped up at $1.0488. Out of all 5, only 2 aligned with the actual direction. If we look at forecast accuracy, the best result came from CoinCodex. Now we'll arrange the details clearly. Just one analyst's forecast was correct about the candle range. Looking at ROI, several forecasts delivered gains, and crypto predictions came out on top with 3.2%. Up next is the performance table. See how the forecasts actually played out. In today's data, CoinCodex registered in accuracy 70.9% forecast probability and 3% ROI. See if you can spot the forecast that proved most accurate. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast. Base returns vary between XRP and several others. Tomorrow's projection puts XRP in second place, while SUI records 3.9% in expected performance. At this stage, XRP is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table with many more assets is already waiting on my website. That's all. Subscribe so you can track which forecasts stand the test of time. Catch you in the next forecast summary.